think what we're going to do is go long on 8. I still think it's the right trade. So let's jump in, and we are long on 8. Let's go. All right, I got a gut feeling. I think this thing's going down. I'm going to pop this one out. Watch this. Manual close. Just close it. And then we are going to turn around, and we're going to sell the same 8 back. See that? We did the old whoosh, flipperoo, because we were basically at the break-even point. Because I think there's more down pressure than up pressure. So we went ahead and did the old swapperoo because we were basically at the break-even point. And let's just hope my gut feeling was right on that one, because we've been pretty messy so far. But we're 8 contracts on this one. And a quick about the face. All right. I feel good about it. I feel good. All right, we are now 6.5 pips out of the money on our quick about face, and this thing does not want to go in the right direction, but I think it's stalling out and it's going to tip over. Yep, I think we're going to be on this all freaking day long. But at least it's not checked out yet. It's just sitting around this little higher high right here, stalling. So I don't know, we'll see if this thing tips over. All right, this thing is basically gone flatline right here. There's hardly anything even happening in this area. I'm out of the money 7.2 pips. And I have had almost an impossible morning this morning. It seems like nothing really wants to go my way. So it's been quite the challenge. A little bit frustrating because I feel like I've called it, but I've called it one candle late all morning long. And that's been nothing but annoying as heck. So what I'm trying to do is, see where this one goes. We're 8 contracts on the position. So our next move is 16. I definitely won't be going into another position today. I'm half tempted just to drop this one right now, even though it's not really moving, just to kind of minimize that loss now that we've lost all of our volume. Man, kind of a poopy morning, dang it. All right, I'm glad I didn't decide to close that thing out because it is selling off. We're now only 5 pips out of the money, and I don't know, looks pretty gray. So I think we're going to let this cruise for just a little bit longer, maybe all day. Maybe we'll just sit on it all day and see what happens. If it just sits here and toggles back and forth, who knows? Maybe at one time it might just tip over. Oh, man. Just when I thought we were going to sneak one out and let it float, we went from 5 to -8 pips, and this thing is on the rise. Look at tails galore. So we're about 9 pips out of the money. This is probably going to stop out. That little about face move when I flipped the script, I don't know, it's just a hunch. The whole thing's kind of a hunch. Kind of a negative Nelly today on the whole deal, because I had high hopes for this morning's market. Oh, here we go. 9.3 pips out of the money. Seems like there's a little bit of a push. I mean, obviously, half a pip, it could sneeze and move a half a pip. Here we go. And we're out. All right, guys. Rough day on the markets today. Hope you enjoyed watching me trade, though, and we will see you tomorrow.